Hello, and welcome to our new wave analysis in which I will discuss about pound and Aussie. So, as you know, Aussie has been pressured to the downside across the board after Dovish RBA. They already mentioned last time that they favor lower exchange rate. So it looks like that traders, investors are positioned for potential weakness on Aussie. Also, we have seen some risk-off sentiment, which is definitely not a good sign for commodity currency. So we have seen weakness on this sector. On the other hand, we can see that euro and even Swiss franc and pound are somehow holding the supports. They are doing quite well, but we still should keep in mind that there is Brexit still very unclear in this part, and to me this Brexit is much bigger issue compared to Dovish RBA. So I would not be surprised to see maybe limited upside on pound Aussie sometime in the next few weeks. Now looking at this daily chart, we have very nice waves 1, 2, and an extended wave 3. You have now wave 4, and wave 4, as you can see, is moving back to the area of a former wave 4 and also back to this 38.2%. And also, if you look back and connect these previous swing lows from uptrend, you will actually see that this is a very nice resistance up there around 1.860. Okay, so if maybe something new comes out from Brexit, I would not be surprised that this will be actually a negative impact on cable. Even if we see some positive short-term reaction, I still would assume that pound could weaken. So I'm looking this as a potential resistance waiting. I'm just somehow do die zone here. Let's see if we can see market reversing down in impulsive fashion from this resistance. You can see also some fib levels here on the lower time frame charts up there around 1.850 up to 1.8640 area. So if we see a sell-off here in impulsive fashion, then this would likely suggest that we are already shifting this trend, okay, and that this was only a temporary pullback. So since I mentioned also the Aussie, let me bring Aussie dollar chart on. So you can actually see here that we rallied very nicely and very sharply here away from March lows. This looks like an impulsive reaction, and now we are making a counter trend movement. So this is normal. Firstly, I thought that this correction already finished here, but the rise was only very small in 3 waves. So it looks like this is going to be more complex now, but still this whole zone will be very nice and potential support. Okay, so if this market rallies, I think that this will be helpful for pound Aussie bears. Also, coronavirus cases are very important. I mean, especially important now when a lot of lockdowns is spreading globally. So if we compare those cases between UK and Australia, you can actually see that these cases in UK are actually moving significantly higher, while it appears that Australia is doing quite well. I mean, definitely lockdown helped here. So again, if maybe some hard lockdown will occur in UK, I think that this will have impact on pound in general, and we could see again pound Aussie hitting resistance.